by the hands that rule in comfort while we pay the price.
Do you want to create this exact high quality AI music video? I will show you how. Let's start. First, go to ChatGPT, generate any lyrics you want and copy them. Next, open Suno AI in your browser. Click Create, switch to Custom and paste your lyrics. Scroll down and input the style of the song and then hit Generate. Once it is ready, download the track here. For the visuals, go back to ChatGPT and ask for consistent AI visual for intro, verses and chorus and copy them. Then go to Gemini and paste the prompts and generate and save the visual. Repeat for each section. To enhance the image quality, I use Remini app. Select the image, tap Enhance and save it. Next, go to Snap Speed app to remove Gemini logo and also increase quality. Select the picture, tap Accentuate and click Tools. Select Ceilings and remove the logo and click Export. Repeat the same process to all visuals. For the lip sync, go to Flow AI. You get free credits. Click here. Select Frame to Video. Click here to add the image you've generated. Set it on landscape. Then click here. Paste your short video prompts and hit Generate. The song isn't added yet, and this leads us to the next, CapCut. Here, I add the song, arrange visuals, and do minimal editing. For upscaling, I increase the resolution to the end, set frame to 24, bitrate to 18, then turn off quality enhancement, and click Export.
Gun to my head, not by my choice, but by the hands that rule in comfort while we pay the price. I didn't choose this hunger, I didn't choose this fear, but I learned how to breathe while the world suffocates us here. We're still here. They write our pain in documents, call it policy, call it law. They shake hands over